Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about transfer of heat. What is transfer of heat? You know already, heat is a form of energy. Yes, heat is a one type of energy. Transfer means changing. Okay, so transfer of heat means heat is changed from one system to other system. Okay, so that is a transfer of heat. Generally, heat is transferred in number of ways, particularly three ways. What are the three ways? First one, conduction. Second, convection. And third, radiation. Okay, conduction, convection, and radiation. First one, conduction. Take a hot water in the vessel, okay, and put a silver spoon inside the hot water. Then after few minutes, just you touch the silver spoon, what you observe? You experience the heat when you touch the spoon. Yes, generally heat in the hot water is transferred from one end to other end of the spoon. Okay, and in solid substance, such as silver spoon, atoms are arranged very closely. Okay, not only the silver spoon, all the solid substance inside the atoms are arranged very closely or strongly. Okay, and hot water molecules which are vibrating transfer the heat to the atoms in the spoon, okay, and make them vibrate, and those atoms make other atoms to vibrate, and thus heat is transferred to the other end of the spoon. Okay, are you understood? By this way only heat is transferred from one place to other place. Okay. Okay. Finally, see the definition of conduction. Conduction is a process of heat transfer in solids from the region of higher temperature to the region of lower temperature without the actual movement of the atoms or molecules. See again, conduction is the process of heat transfer in solids from the region of higher temperature to region of lower temperature without the actual movement of atoms or molecules. And see the one more picture. This is also conduction. Yes, are you understood? When the heat is applied to any one of the conductor, then automatically it will be transferred to the other end of the conductor. Suppose if you touch the other end of the conductor, automatically you experience a heat. Okay. Next, conduction in daily life. We cook food in vessels made up of metals. When the vessel is heated, heat is transferred from the metal to the food. Okay. Next, when we iron dresses, heat is transferred from the iron to the cloth. Next, handles of cooking utensils are made up of plastic or wood because they are poor conductors of heat. Last one, the temperature inside igloo is warm because snow is poor conductor of heat.